10 revolutionary military inventions you need to see. Welcome, fellow tech enthusiasts, to LexTech, your ultimate destination for mind-blowing innovations that push the boundaries of human imagination. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the thrilling world of military technology, a realm of constant advancements and game-changing breakthroughs that have transformed the way wars are fought and won. From cutting-edge weaponry and state-of-the-art communication systems to revolutionary surveillance and reconnaissance tools, military inventions have revolutionized the battlefield and redefined the capabilities of modern armed forces. And in this video, we're uncovering the top 10 jaw-dropping military inventions that you absolutely can't afford to miss. Are you ready to witness the power of advanced accuracy solutions, mind-boggling drones, and smart rifles that make sci-fi movies look tame? Do you want to explore the exciting world of thermal imaging, detection systems, and next-gen protective gear that are redefining the limits of modern warfare? If so, then you've come to the right place. Join us as we take you on a thrilling journey into the heart of military technology, showcasing the most cutting-edge inventions that have the potential to shape the future of warfare and security. This is your chance to get up close and personal with the latest advancements in small arms fire control systems, game-changing surveillance drones, and advanced military vehicles that are transforming the battlefield. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed by the incredible breakthroughs and innovations that are driving the evolution of military technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a military buff, or just someone who loves to learn about groundbreaking inventions, this video is for you. Don't miss out on the action. Let's dive in. Advanced Accuracy Solutions. Advanced Accuracy Solutions is a cutting-edge military invention that revolutionizes precision targeting and shooting accuracy. Leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, this innovative solution provides military personnel with enhanced accuracy and improved targeting capabilities, enhancing their effectiveness in the field. With features such as predictive ballistics, real-time environmental adjustments, and advanced optics, Advanced Accuracy Solutions empowers military forces with unprecedented precision and situational awareness on the battlefield. This game-changing invention has the potential to greatly increase the success rate of missions, reduce collateral damage, and save lives. CNIM. CNIM, short for Compagnie Nationale Industrielle et Minière, is a military invention that specializes in providing cutting-edge defense solutions. From advanced amphibious landing systems to mobile bridges and protection systems, CNIM offers innovative technologies that enhance the capabilities of military forces across the world. With a strong focus on research and development, CNIM has a proven track record of delivering state-of-the-art solutions that enhance the mobility, agility, and effectiveness of military operations in challenging environments. Drone Shield. Drone Shield is a military invention that addresses the growing threat of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones in modern warfare. Drone Shield offers advanced anti-drone technologies that detect, identify, and mitigate unauthorized drones, protecting military bases, critical infrastructure, and personnel from potential drone threats. With a range of solutions including drone detection radars, countermeasure systems, and drone mitigation devices, Drone Shield provides military forces with a critical layer of defense against the increasing use of drones in hostile activities. This innovative invention plays a crucial role in safeguarding military assets and ensuring operational security in the face of evolving drone threats. Hudastaloa Wola SA. Hudastaloa Wola SA is a leading military invention that specializes in the design and production of advanced defense equipment and systems. With a rich history and extensive experience in the defense industry, Hudastaloa Wola SA offers a wide range of cutting-edge technologies, including artillery systems, armored vehicles, and missile launchers. These advanced solutions are known for their durability, reliability, and high-performance capabilities, making them essential assets for modern military operations. Hudastaloa Wola SA is dedicated to providing innovative solutions that meet the evolving needs of military forces worldwide. Smart Shooter. Smart Shooter is a revolutionary military invention that provides enhanced precision and control for small arms fire. With its advanced fire control system, Smart Shooter allows military personnel to engage targets with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. The system incorporates advanced image processing, target acquisition, and tracking technologies, enabling soldiers to rapidly engage multiple targets while reducing the risk of collateral damage. Smart Shooter is compatible with various small arms platforms, including rifles, machine guns, and shotguns, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of military applications. Before we continue, if you're enjoying our content and would like to support our channel, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future videos. DDT. In the late 1930s, with war on the horizon, the U.S. military undertook preparations to defend soldiers against one of the most lethal enemies on the battlefield: insect-borne diseases. During World War I, typhus, a bacterial disease spread by lice, had killed 2.5 million people, military and civilian, at the Eastern Front alone. Health specialists also worried about the prospect of mosquito-borne diseases such as yellow fever and malaria in the tropics. The military needed an insecticide that could be safely applied as a powder to clothes and blankets. Initially synthesized by an Austrian student in 1873, DDT remained a laboratory oddity until 1939, when Swiss chemist Paul Muller discovered its insecticidal properties while researching ways to moth-proof wool clothing. After the military screened thousands of chemical compounds, DDT eventually emerged as the insecticide of choice. It worked at low dosages, it worked immediately, and it kept working. DDT proved to be so effective that some historians believe World War II was the first conflict where more soldiers died in combat than from disease. Yet even before the war ended, entomologists and medical researchers warned that the insecticide could have long-term dangerous effects on public health and the environment. The United States banned DDT in 1972. The Caterpillar Tractor. The Caterpillar Tractor was created by engineers who wanted to create a military vehicle that was both agile and strong enough to cross the trench-filled terrain of no man's land, crush barbed wire, and endure enemy fire. The American tractor served as the model for this armored behemoth, more precisely, Benjamin Holt's 1904 invention of the Caterpillar Tractor. Holt's company, situated in Stockton, California, had been producing enormous steam-powered grain harvesters since the 1880s. Holt gave his mechanics instructions to replace the drive wheels with track shoes, constructed of wooden boards so that the heavy tractors could climb the muddy, steep inclines of the lush river deltas. Later, Holt endeavored to market his creation to American and European government organizations as a dependable way to deliver supplies and artillery to the front lines during a conflict. In July 1914, he described a Yankee machine that climbs like hell in a letter to Swinton. A tank with a rhomboid shape and caterpillar treads was created to traverse vast ditches by Swinton less than a year later. Later, it took the name Big Willie. On September 15, 1916, during the Battle of the Somme, the tanks made their combat debut. X-ray to penetrate obstacles. What about giving soldiers X-ray vision like Superman in the form of goggles? How to make this a reality is the subject of a new Army-funded study. A technique for viewing objects through environmental obstacles, such as sand, was developed by researchers. They used an incredibly fast laser to pass through the barrier and then read back the photons that were reflected, quickly putting together an image of what was there. In contrast to current imaging technologies, which can only reflect objects in 2 dimensions, this new research will display objects in 3 dimensions, providing soldiers with more precise situational and danger awareness in low visibility conditions. Future pilots flying through sandstorms and robots navigating through fog might benefit from this. Barbed wires. Barbed wire was first used to keep livestock in the American West in the late 19th century. However, it quickly found use in the military, most notably during the Second Anglo-Boer War, 1899 through 1902, in what is now South Africa. The British Army used increasingly harsh tactics as the fighting intensified to put down the uprising headed by Dutch settlers. Building a network of fortified blockhouses connected by barbed wire to restrict the movement of the Boers in the veldt was one of these measures. Barbed wire made it easier to build what were known as concentration camps, where British forces imprisoned women and children when they started a campaign known as Scorched Earth, destroying fields to deny the guerrillas a source of support. As a defense against advancing infantry, barbed wire would be used across World War I battlefields more than 10 years later. The benefits of a barbed wire entanglement were briefly enumerated in a 1917 U.S. Army College pamphlet. 1. It can be constructed quickly and easily. 2. It is challenging to eliminate. 3. It is challenging to navigate. 4. It does not impair the defense's ability to see and fire. Which gadget are you going to buy right now and why? That's all from today. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like.